Okay, here we go again.
Let's see what's waiting for us this time. Things have been pretty intense lately. Searching for that woman last week was not easy, but thankfully we were able to locate and rescue her in time.
Station Avenue, with those new high-rise buildings. Doesn't matter. I'm fit. I've trained for this. I'm ready. It was great to practice different scenarios under almost real conditions. I've learned a lot about scenarios, about my technique, about myself. I feel prepared for this.
I need to be able to rely on a lot of things right now, and with my own safety, I am confident. I can really trust that my equipment is properly maintained, not only keeping me safe, but also taking my health into consideration. Everything works together.
Let's go. That was tough, but it was a success.
That got pretty beat up. Nice. It's like new.